Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about something that really caught my attention recently. You know how everyone's looking for ways to make some extra cash, especially with how prices seem to be skyrocketing everywhere? Groceries, gas, bills, everything is just more expensive these days. Well, I came across a system called Emergency Cash Shortcut, and let me tell you, this one is intriguing. This program comes from Paul James and his team, Tom and Nick. The promise is pretty bold, a way to make anywhere from $200 to $700 over and over again, using a super simple strategy. I was curious, so I decided to dig into it and see what it's all about. What makes this stand out is that it leverages AI, video creation, and local marketing. Now, don't worry if you're not an expert in any of these areas. They've designed the program for beginners. You get step-by-step instructions, and they walk you through everything, even if you're starting from scratch. Paul himself demonstrates how he made $700 using this exact method, and the case study is included in the program. Seeing it in action adds a lot of credibility. The core idea is simple. You use AI tools to create videos that are tailored to local businesses. These aren't just generic videos. They're designed to be valuable and appealing to business owners. Once the video is ready, you sell it to local clients. Sounds simple, right? But what really caught my eye is how they show you ways to drive traffic to these videos, making it easier to attract interested clients. What I also like is how accessible it feels. This isn't one of those systems that promises results, but requires you to spend hours learning complex skills or invest a fortune up front. Instead, the program is focused on getting you started quickly. The idea is that you could create your first AI-powered video and land your first client today. Paul's passion for this really comes through in the program. He talks about how this strategy can help people cover those unexpected expenses, or even just provide some financial breathing room. With everything being so expensive these days, having a system like this could make a big difference. They're also offering it at a discounted price right now, which is great if you're considering giving it a try. Plus, there are some bonuses included, though they don't go into a ton of detail about what those are. So, that's what I've learned about Emergency Cash Shortcut. It's an interesting opportunity for anyone looking to generate extra income quickly without needing a ton of experience or technical know-how. If you're curious, it might be worth checking out. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Let me know if you've tried it or if you're thinking about diving in. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.